third equation of motion. It is also the derivation, Arsenal equation. So now see, for deriving the third equation, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2a, is generally by the help of the second equation of motion and first equation of motion. So second equation of motion is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the first equation of motion is v is equal to u plus at. While we are going to transpose this u from right to left, so now its sign will be also changes. So now it is your v minus u is equal to 80, because we have to find out the value of this t. So now ultimately this a will go down. So now final value is t is equal to v minus u upon t is the third equation. First is second equation, second is the first equation of motion, and third, while we have just find out the value of this t is equal to v minus u. So now the value of this t will be substituted in the second equation of motion. So now you please come to this line. Okay, now s is equal to u. In place of t, you are keeping this value here. So now v minus u upon a plus half into a, and now see, it was your t square. So now t square means t is equal to v minus u ka whole square over a. So now say here a minus b ka whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, while a is equal to here v and b is equal to u. So now a minus b ka whole square you use here. So now the s is equal to uv minus u square upon a plus 1 upon 2. A is here. A minus b ka whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square over. It is a complete square of v minus u as well as a square. So now in the denominator it is your a square. It is in the numerator and this a square is in the denominator. One power will be cancelled with this one. So ultimately s is equal to uv minus u square over a plus, now it is in the numerator, v square minus 2uv plus u square upon 2a. 1a is cancelled from here. So now this is 2a. So now see, its denominator is a, its denominator is 2a, and both are your different denominators. So when we are taking in the next line LCM, so now 1a will come from both and this 2 will come from here. So now a 1 ja a 1 ja a, so now it will become 1 2 ja 2. This 2 will go up and multiply with this one. So now it is becoming 2 uv into u square. This 2 is outside of the left parenthesis, so inside parenthesis uv minus u square, the same things as a previous one. So now 2a 1 ja 2a, it is going to be divided one time. So now this 1 will be multiplied with this one. So now it is becoming v square minus 2uv plus u square. So now when this 2 will multiply with this negative binomials, so now it becomes 2uv and plus minus ka minus 2u square ja 2u square, it is 1. So the whole amount will be kept as it is. Now is b square minus 2uv and plus u square. This plus 2uv is cancelled by this minus 2uv. So now ultimately this minus 2u square is bigger than this u square. So now it will be subtracted from this one. So the sign will come up this negative. So u square is subtracting by 2u square. These both are the like terms. So now it become minus u square while it is as it is. So now in the next line, s is equal to v square minus u square over 2a. This 2a will go up and multiply with this s. So now v square minus u square is equal to 2s. By cross multiplication, this u square will again transpose on the right hand side. So its negative sign will be changed into the u square. So now v square is equal to u square plus 2s, derived third equation of motion. Nothing was there for this derivation of third equation. So now second equation, you please remember s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the first equation is v is equal to u plus at. From the first equation of motion, you please find out the value of this t, which is coming v minus u upon a, and this value will be just kept into second equation, t in place of t square. So now you please come here, s is equal to u, in place of t v minus u upon a, and in place of t square here v minus u ka whole square by this a has also the whole squares. So now you will apply here a minus b whole square, which is known as the third special product of algebraic expressions. A minus b ka whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 1a will cancel with this one, so ultimately the denominator will be coming 2a only. So now after that, this portion and this portion is separate. So now you have taken the LCM of A and 2A is 2A. So when one will A will multiply with this one, A 1 ja A and 1 2 ja 2, this 2 will go up and multiply with this UV minus U square. So 2UV minus U square plus 2A 1 ja 2A, 1 will multiply with the whole this trinomial, it is a trinomial. So now 2UV ja 2UV plus minus ka minus 2U square, 1 will multiply with this trinomial, it will become V square minus 2UV plus U square. This plus 2UV and minus 2UV will be cancelled, and this minus 2 square is bigger than this U square. So now positive is smaller than this one, and both are your like term. So this U square will be subtracted from this minus 2 square, and it will come up, and the next line this U square and V square is already there. So now the expression is coming, S is equal to V square minus U square over 2A. It's a numerator and it's a denominator. This 2A will go up and multiply with this, and it becomes 2AS. 2AS. So now V square minus U square is equal to 2S. Now on transposing this U square on the right hand side by changing its sign, so V square is equal to U square plus 2S. It is the third equation of motion which I have derived. Thank you very much.